Don't be this guy. I'm Paul Wayne, the owner and operator of Northwest Mobile Pump Out and Marine Environmental Services. In this video, you will learn how to avoid a brown shower. Over 150 free and accessible pump out stations exist in Washington through the Clean Vessel Act of 1992. This federal grant pump out program is a partnership of U.S. Fish and Wildlife, Washington State Parks, and Washington Sea Grant. Aside from not getting a brown shower, this is why it's important. It's the law, and it's a safety issue. Keep the bacteria and sewage off of you. It's a water quality issue. Sewage is not safe for swimmers. It's bad for wildlife. If you eat shellfish, it's bad for you too. I will demonstrate to you the proper way to pump out your boat while staying safe and clean. First, you want to put on some gloves. It's really important so that you don't get anything on you. First thing you have to do is turn on the pump, pull the hose off, and you want to make sure the nozzle is clean, because the last person that used it, he might not have cleaned it. So you turn it on and drop it in the water. Just hold it there for a few seconds. Just remove your deck cap. And before you get started, you want to just crack that lever just a little bit. That's so when you put it on, you don't get the full force of the contents. So once the pump out is finished, turn it off, break the seal, turn it on a little bit again, just a small amount, and then you flip it upside down. That way you don't spill any on the boat, and then you can turn it all the way on and wash it out again. Another option is you can always get an adapter. You simply screw this into your deck fitting, just like that. You unclamp the nozzle, and then you clamp this onto there like that. And then you can turn it on. You can get these adapters through Washington Sea Grant. There are 2 thread sizes for these adapters. There's 1.5 inches or there's 1.25 inches. Most boats take the 1.5 inches. There is also the Pump Out Nav app. This app shows where all the pump out stations are located and whether or not they are operational. If you happen to come across one that is non-functioning, you can report it through the app so it can get fixed. Thanks for watching, happy boating, and we'll see you out on the water.
Thanks, Paul.
Bye.